Hello everyone, how to knit a beautiful border. I show you this one, multiples of 7 stitches plus 2 stitches, because we have to keep 2 stitches and 5 stitches for the pattern, 2 stitches in the middle again, keep like that. Have a look, the first one, first row, first one knit all the stitches knit. So have a look how we going. So I will finish the row number 1, knit all. This is the second row and this is the front side. Again knit all. Slip on the first stitch and then knit all. Second row, after I will finish the row. This is the third row and the back side row, and we will start the pattern. First one just slip on and the second one too, no knit. So 2 stitches, no knitting. Next one we will purl 5 stitches purlwise, knit purlwise, but put the yarn around the needle 2 times. 1, 2 stitches, 5 stitches like that, 3 stitches, 4 and 5 stitches are done. Then we 2 stitches just slip on, no knit. Then again next 5 stitches, yarn around the needle 2 times, 5 stitches, yarn around the needle 2 times. So 5 stitches are done, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 2 just slip on, no knit. Again 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 again slip on, and the next one again 5 stitches, the yarn around the needle 2 times, four, 5, 2 stitches, no knit. Again the last 5 stitches, hit the yarn around the needle 2 times, and the last one no knit. And this one just to slip on. The fourth needle, fourth row, the 2 stitches we will not knit again, just stitches, no knit. And then we open the stitches, 5 stitches we open up like that, and then we put in this needle. put in this needle. Then what we do, we put the 2 stitches on the needle like that. 2 stitches on the needle. Then we make 1 from 5 stitches. Just knit 1. So we have 5 stitches decreased and 1 we have, and 2 we put already, and then we put 2 more stitches here. So this one is 5 stitches already. So you can see this one. I will show you the next one again. 2 stitches, just no knit in the middle. Then we put, I show you, we will put the stitches first. 2 stitches we will put on like that. 2 stitches like that. Then we open all these stitches. 5 stitches we open all the ones, and then we put in this needle. You can see, put in this needle and knit and make 1. See here, this one is done. So we decreased 4 stitches. 2 we put here and 2 we will put here. So we will put 2 more stitches here, and then this one we just slip on, no knitting, and then again we put the 2 stitches with the hand. Then take off all these stitches, 5 stitches, take off, and then put back in the needle like that, and knit 4 and make 1, and then again put 2 stitches in the needle, and then slip on, no knit the middle stitches, and then again put 2 stitches here and open up the stitches, 5 stitches, and then knit the 5 stitches together and make 1, and after we put 2 more stitches. So this is a beautiful border. You can use on any project, starting any project. After 2 stitches we will slip these 2 stitches and then again put 2 stitches. We have to put 2 stitches before these 2 stitches and after these 2 stitches, and then open up the 5 stitches and then knit the 5 stitches together and make 1, and the last one we have to put 2 more stitches here. We have to make 5 these stitches and then 2 no knit. So this one now looking like that, and in the next row now we will purl all the stitches. It's very easy to do this pattern. Purl all the stitches here, I will finish the whole row and show you. This one look like that, and we will knit 1 more row, You can see here this border looks like that. This one is so beautiful. You can start any project, any knitting project, a cardigan, vest, jumper, or anything with this pattern. So this is a beautiful border for starting any project.